Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool CNTRL-ELEC part #WPW10174746. Whirlpool CNTRL-ELEC part #WPW10174746 is a replacement electronic control board for Whirlpool washing machines. This part is used to replace the original electronic control board in a Whirlpool washer. It is designed to be compatible with a variety of Whirlpool washers, including models with direct drive motors and those with belt drive motors. The part includes all necessary components for installation, including the main control board, the display board, and the power cord. It also includes instructions for installation and troubleshooting. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement control board for Whirlpool refrigerators. It can fix issues such as the refrigerator not cooling, the display not working, or the refrigerator not responding to any commands. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the old control board by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. 3. Disconnect any wires connected to the old control board and remove it from the refrigerator. 4. Install the new Whirlpool CNTRL-ELEC part #WPW10174746 control board by connecting all of the wires to their respective terminals on the new board. Make sure all connections are secure and tight. 5. Securely mount the new control board in place with screws and plug in your refrigerator to a wall outlet. 6. Turn on your ref. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.